Okra, a good source of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, and it can be prepared in various styles. Hello and welcome to my channel Richa's Aromatic Kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to make an okra with some Mughlai touch. So let's get started. Heat some oil in a pan. First, we are going to semi-fry our chopped okra on a medium flame. Cook it till it becomes soft and tender. Our okra is fried, and now take it out in a plate. Now in a pan, heat some oil, add squared cut onions, fry it till it becomes pinkish in color. Take it out. In a same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, half tablespoon carom seeds or ajwain, half tablespoon cumin seeds, saute it for a while, add chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, mix it well, dry spices, turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder. Saute it for a while. 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Keep the flame to the lowest and add the beaten curd gradually. As soon as you add the curd, quickly stir so that the curd does not curdle. Stir and mix very well. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. I'm adding red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Saute it for a while. Now add fried okra and onion in this masala. Mix it well. Add shredded cheese. Salt as per your taste. Red chili powder. Garam masala powder. Mix it well. And your Mughlai style royal okra is all ready to eat. You can eat it with roti, naan or parantha. Comment below how you like this recipe and don't forget to subscribe my channel Richa's Aromatic Kitchen.